will be another couple of minutes on top of the one that remains at the end of the 90. But Beckham, Sheringham. In no sense, though, is this anything remotely close to showboating. Far from it, it's
professional.
Absolutely.
Oh, good professional. I tell you what, I'm fascinated. It's the great angles they make for each other to give themselves passion off.
They're constantly running off the ball, aren't they? York, Beckham, just what makes it appear so simple. Lovely touch from Sheringham. Scholes. Oh, that is divine. Absolutely divine. What a lovely, lovely goal. And that'll do them. Glorious. To die for. To smile about. Just to enjoy. Paul Scholes.